Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Netflix account without sharing your password, follow these easy steps to give others access securely. Step 1. Log in to your Netflix account through the Netflix website or app on any device. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section, where you can manage all profiles on your account. Step 4. Click Add Profile to create a new profile for the person you want to share your account with. Step 5. Enter a name for the new profile and choose whether it should be a kid's profile with restricted content if needed. Step 6. Click Continue to create the profile, and it will appear on the profile selection screen whenever someone signs into your account. Step 7. To share access, you can either let the person use your login credentials on their device or add them to your Netflix household by verifying their device through a verification code. Step 8. The person can now select their own profile when they log in, maintaining separate viewing histories and recommendations without needing to know your password for ongoing use, though they will need to log in initially with your credentials or through a shared verification method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.